Hello everybody, we are going today to talk about the fish transport. Actually, fish transport includes some stress. This is stress is sourced from different kind of stress. For example, we can have temperature stress. We can have water chemical stress. We can have handling stress. For the temperature stress, there are temperature difference between the first location and the second location. In this case, you have to keep the fish bags swimming over the water surface. For how much time? It depends on the temperature difference. If the temperature difference is very high, that you mean you need to keep this fish over the water surface for a long time. Might be 30 minutes, might be 40 minutes. If the temperature difference is low, so you don't need to stay, leave them over time. So might be 5 minutes or 10 minutes is enough. But there is another important point, that the chemical composition of the water. In this case, because we know the water is water, but their chemical composition is different. How much ammonia, how much chemicals, how much contamination they have. So we don't know. In this case, we need to transfer the fish from this chemical composition to the new chemical composition. In this case, you need to follow some procedure that you need to add water from the second location to the fish bag gradually till the fish have enough adaptation to the new water, and then you transfer this fish totally from this water to the new water and excluding the old water. Also, we have such kind of handling stress. Handling stress makes some hormone changes in the fish, and this hormone change make the metabolic is at lower level. For example, the lipid metabolism. In this case, if we add the bile acid, we increase the metabolic rate and we increase the energy availability for the fish, and then we save them. Also, such kind of stress, temperature stress, chemical stress, or metabolic stress, all these kind of stressors, they are changing the microbiota composition in the fish intestine. In this case, if we add the bile acid can control this kind of microbiota composition, which means the bile acid can control the Vibrio and the other pathogenic bacteria, and at the same time increase the good bacterial growth, which means you are supporting the fish metabolic system and fish immune system. At the end, you have to consider other factors which might be chemical contamination, might be at higher level. So you have to keep this fish at the isolated point in the second location and wait for 1 week or 10 days that you keep observation on them. So this observation can let you know that they are free of new microorganisms, or they are free of infections, or they are in health condition. At this case, you can transfer your fish safely from this isolation to the other culture ponds. In this case, you can guarantee your fish health and fish growth rate, and by the end, higher production and more benefits. Thank you.